In LeetCode 746, we want to know how can I get into heaven while spending the least amount of my Dogecoin, or in other words, min-cost climbing stairs. We're given an integer array with the cost of each step, and we can take either 1 or 2 steps at a time. So in example 1, starting from the beginning, we can take 2 steps to 15, and then 2 steps straight to the end for a minimum cost of 15. In example 2, we can step on the 1s, avoiding the 100s for a minimum cost of 6. One great way to solve this is to start at the end of the list and move backwards 1 index at a time, finding the minimum cost to go from each index to the end. As we move backwards to the beginning, we'll eventually have the minimum cost to go from the beginning to the end. To find the minimum cost of moving from the current step to the end, all we have to do is add the cost of the current step to the minimum of moving from the next 2 steps to the end. This is a simple form of dynamic programming because we'll keep track of the minimum costs of the next 2 steps, which change or are dynamic as we move down the list. So for the code, we'll create our variables, loop backwards 1 index at a time, finding current 1 step and 2 step at each index, and then return the minimum